Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to walk you through our 2019 Scout 255 Dorado. We have this model equipped with the optional full hull color shark gray gel coat, a stainless steel insert within the white rub rail. Now let's check out the interior of the boat. So here in the cockpit of the 255 Dorado from Scout, we've got a tremendous amount of lounge space between the stern seat and the portside seat, and also the powered aft-facing chase lounge. We also have this boat equipped with a nice picnic table here in the cockpit. If you want to fish the boat, all of the seating stows away really nicely and offers really comfortable bolsters to give you more support when fishing. Here at the stern, we've got a nice Steeple, 4 rod holders, a freshwater fill, along with a bait well to the port side. Entering the cockpit, we have a nice cockpit door to keep small children or dogs safely inside. Twin platforms, both the port and starboard. The starboard side has a telescoping ladder. This boat is equipped with twin 150 horsepower digital XCA motors from Yamaha. Moving forward, we've got 2 JL upgraded speakers in the cockpit, a wet bar sink with a cutting board, nice storage area for your Yeti cooler, and pull-out drawer storage with a soft close as well. Moving forward, we've got storage and space for your batteries within the deck, a nice trash receptacle that's hidden away. Again, this aft-facing seat is powered, so the seat moves fore and aft, give you more lounge space. Big, thick hardtop on the 255 Dorado with nice grab rail, LED lighting. The seating, both port and starboard, you've got double wide seats with adjustable bolsters, along with adjustable armrests as well. Ultra vinyl from Scout, really soft, very comfortable. The color looks great as well. Here at the dash, we've got a 9-inch touchscreen from Garmin, lockable console storage, cup holders that are plumbed and drained, digital start and stops, trim tabs with indicators, a C-zone interface for all of your switching. Again, digital throttle and shifts with the 150 motors from Yamaha and your Fusion stereo head unit. We've also got a really large subwoofer from JL Audio beneath the helm seat. Here on the port side console, we have a head area with a porcelain toilet and a sink. Nice block-off door. Along with your adjustable windshield. Encloses the cockpit. Protects you from that cooler wind. We've got dedicated storage here on the starboard side console, including enough space for the filler cushion that is equipped for the bow seating area. We've got deck storage forward in the bow area. Again, filler cushion that goes right here, so you can turn this area into a huge sun pad. Very comfortable seating. Adjustable armrests on both sides. Got cup holders, non-skid for your phones. Upgraded JL Audio speakers. An anchor windlass, along with a beach boarding ladder. Foot pedal controls on the foredeck for the windlass. You can also operate it at the helm with all of your C-zone switching. That's a walkthrough of our 255 Dorado from Scout. Give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at MarineMax.com, and always check out our MarineMax Facebook page. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.